I'm moving softly to the door. I cannot stay here anymore. If I remain, I'll only bind the happy life you need to find. I'll take the memories we made before the summer starts to fade. I'm not the one you really need. I'll let you go so you can lead. And I will keep you in my heart. Although we have to live apart, I'll love you more than words can say, in my own quiet, honest way. I hope you find a better place, with kindness on a friendly face. I wish you all you're dreaming of, and every kind of deep warm love. It hits different when I know that I am forced to let you go. The music plays a faster beat as I walk down this lonely street. And I will keep you in my heart. Although we have to live apart, I'll love you more than words can say, in my own quiet, honest way. Yes, I will keep you in my heart, right from the end back to the start. I love you more than words can say, as I begin to walk away. So go and find a brand new start, with kindness in your gentle heart. I love you till the very end, my darling and my dearest friend.